This one's for you. I think I made it.
Hey y'all, so it is our first Tasty Tuesday. My fat ass. But y'all, I decided to cross one restaurant off the list, and that's going to be Hank's Cajun Grill Oyster Bar. But every Tuesday I was going to post me trying out different restaurants in Houston. I'm about to try it out. I was looking at their lunch menu because it is like 11 o'clock right now. An early lunch and a good lunch special is something that I do not mind. So let me go ahead and go in here and I'm gonna show y'all what I get. Hey.
As you would expect, last night's Rams Chiefs game had huge fantasy performances. The lead came in that game.
Right there.
Hennessy side for that one's been really popular.
I like Hennessy.
Right.
Okay. So y'all, this is their drink special. I just found out I'm allergic to shrimp, so I know, and I'm a pescatarian. I think I ate it too much when I was home before I moved up here, so my body's like, nah, we can't do no more. Yeah, I'm hurt, but it's okay. I can still eat fish.
Concentration. Coach move on 8-4.
Y'all, this smells strong. So they do have a lot of good choices, but like I said, because I'm allergic to shrimp now, I'm very limited. I do see their deep fried catfish, and it's a po' boy, so I'm gonna try that because that'll be my first time eating a po' boy. If I wasn't allergic to shrimp, you all, I probably would try. They have a famous boiled seafood that I've seen is very popular. Let's try this drink.
Just give me like 2 more minutes here. Say shots.
Oh yeah, I like that. Can I get the deep fried catfish? No tomato. Does it come with tomatoes? On the po' boy, yeah. Okay, so no tomatoes. That's it. Thank you. Never be the same. All right, y'all. So this is my catfish po' boy and fries, and she bought me tartar sauce and honey mustard. I'm playing, y'all. But either way, I think it's still a good restaurant. I was picking restaurants based off of shrimp too, but.
A letter like this, a document from the IRS with MLS code. You got it, see.
It's good. The fish is nice and flaky and fresh, y'all. I'm about to get off because I'm hungry. Yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. I'm about to go ahead and pay for my food and head home so I can take me a nice good nap, and I hope you kind of enjoyed my Tasty Tuesday. Of course, this video won't be long because I didn't get much, but my next Tasty Tuesday would definitely be worth seeing. So, hope you. Hey y'all, so my bad, I was jamming y'all. But it is part 2 of my, what is it, Tasty Tuesday. And we about to hit up the seafood spot, y'all. I just got off of work. I had to put on some warm clothes. It is cold in Houston. I don't know what. Y'all gonna go shopping with me this week because anyway, this ain't even about that. That's a whole different vlog. But y'all, yes. So I already tried the seafood spot. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I already tried them. And that was supposed to be the original clips of the first of a part of the Tasty Tuesday, but I ain't like how them clips was looking, and you know, I'm off, I'm hungry, and I like them, so therefore round 2. Last time I got snow crabs and crawfish. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm not a fan of crawfish. I'd rather eat shrimp, but I'm not even gonna get that. I'm gonna just get the snow crab legs this time. So yeah, so we about to go in the seafood spot and y'all about to eat with me. Let me stop rambling and let me take y'all in this restaurant with me, okay? Yeah, she just dropped off my little bib to eat with it, some gloves, and a little cracker. I might not be using this, y'all. I'm from Florida. I crack it with my hands, but I will put gloves on though. Like I was saying, I got the pound of snow crab with a side of potatoes. Last time, y'all, I ate it at home and I was enjoying it, but I wasn't enjoying it like I want to. This is their menu. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna show it to y'all later, but they got a big menu. I will tell y'all here, they have a variety of food. They have gumbo, they have grilled platters, they have steaks, burgers, po' boys. They have something for everybody. So even if you're not a seafood lover like me, you can still come to the seafood spot and eat. But if you're a seafood lover like me, definitely come to the seafood spot and eat. So, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. How you doing? People still, y'all. I gotta speak. As you can see, this food looks so good. And the thing I like about these snow crabs is they not like small sizes, y'all. They actually big. Alright, y'all, I'm about to take out. I'm turning this off.
Oh shit! Hey, Cornmeal. Yeah, hey. Oh, can't fuck with me. Hey, they can't fuck with me.
Your girl is full and I am tired. So, this is my dinner. Boom. Oh, thank you. So yeah, y'all, overall I give this place, as far as seafood, it's nothing like back home, but I definitely give it probably like an 8 out of 10. My next Tasty Tuesday will probably be a dessert place or a daiquiri place, I don't know, but make sure y'all tune in and subscribe to my channel. Every Tuesday I will definitely be posting videos on different restaurants I try in the Houston area. So my nose running, y'all, so I'm about to get off there looking a mess. Bye.
Don't be tripping when I don't pick up for you. I just got some shit I gotta do. I hit you when I'm done with all of that. You know what it is when I get back. Bitch, I got the sauce, I got the juice. Groupie bitches tryna make a move. You know I ain't tripping off of that. You know what it is when I get back. I know you hoping I be on.